Hi! In this video, you'll learn how to create custom questions, a feature that helps you pre-vet candidates before they even reach your interview stage.
Step 1. Access the question section. The last step while creating your job post is the questions tab. Here you'll see suggested questions you can select with one click. But if you want something more specific, click Create a Question. Step 2. Choose the question type. There are 3 types of custom questions you can create. Number 1. Yes or no questions. These are straightforward and work great as quick filters. For example, do you have at least 5 years of experience in real estate? This helps you instantly identify if a candidate is qualified. Number 2. Multiple choice questions. Use this type to test technical knowledge. Add several answer options and mark the correct one. This makes it easy to see who has the right expertise for the role. Number 3. Open questions. Here you can ask broader questions to understand a candidate's thinking or experience. For example, what was your biggest mistake in your last role and how did you overcome it? Candidates can reply with text or a video answer. This is a great way to evaluate communication skills and English level. Step 3. Save and continue. Once you have created your questions, click Done. Review them, make any adjustments, and then click Continue to move forward with your post.
That's how you create and add custom questions to your job post, helping you find the right candidates faster and with more confidence.